So as we know, Supreme, it's a hype brand, and you know they have some legendary drops on their website, which are notoriously hard to cop and are heavily botted. And most of the time I've passed on these drops because it's very hard to cop manually. However, I saw the lookbook and I really saw a t-shirt that I liked the look of and really wanted to go for it. I took the L on the Supreme website, but I did take a W on another t-shirt with less hype. However, I did manage to cop the t-shirt on resale in not only one colour, but 2 colours. So let's check them out. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back with another video. And today I'm checking out and trying on some t-shirts that I recently copped from the Supreme Fall Winter 21 Week 1 drop. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. You can also find me outside of YouTube on Instagram at Lukas Winn. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up as it really does help the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out 3 t-shirts from the recent Supreme Fall Winter 21 Week 1 drop. One of them I actually copped on Supreme itself, and 2 I copped from StockX for full transparency. And the reason I copped it from StockX is because it sold, the t-shirt I'm talking about specifically is sold out in seconds and was very hard to cop in my size. So I really wanted a t-shirt and I pulled the trigger. Maybe I paid a little bit more than I should have done, but you know, sometimes I really want to get a t-shirt in hand to review for my channel. So let's get to it. So we have 3 packages right here, and we'll get into the Supreme one first. So, open this. Alright, now as I said, I've never copped from Supreme, so it's interesting to see what you get inside the package as well. So, obviously here's the t-shirt. We have some Supreme playing cards, I believe that was the freebie. And we also have some Supreme stickers as well. So, one side. So the playing cards down, and let's open this quickly. Alright. So you got your standard box logo, so nothing special with that. Then you got this samurai, says Supreme on it. And then the third one is this Supreme spaghetti, so that's interesting. I don't know if that's an actual thing, but I'm sure it tastes very good. Anyway, here we have the t-shirt. So I got this in extra large. Alright, so here we have the shadow tee in grey. So you've just got the shadow picture here, and then obviously Supreme box logo right here. So fairly simple, to be honest, but just wanted to cop this just to obviously say I had copped from Supreme. And yeah, I mean, it's not a bad t-shirt, definitely gonna wear this. It's a guy on a skateboard actually, going up a half pipe, so it's quite interesting. As I said, this is an extra large, so looks like it's definitely gonna fit, so let's try it on. Yeah, so this is the front, so nothing on the back, but just looks like that. Turn back round. So yeah, very plain, but definitely it's a Supreme t-shirt, so can't complain. So yeah, let's check out the actual t-shirts that I wanted to cop. So I got this from StockX, and I've copped apparel from StockX before, so no concerned about this. And it came pretty quickly, to be honest. So, this is the white one. So, I'm actually going to leave this to last. I'll open this one. So, little StockX sticker. and you see the price you pay, and you're like, wow, did I really pay that much for this t-shirt? And you're like, yes I did. Okay, let's put that down to one side. So this is, here we have the Rick Rubin tee in black. This was what I really wanted, to be honest. Rick Rubin, who's like synonymous with the music industry, one of the hip hop pioneers, producers, just, yeah, he's just an OG, and it's just like I really wanted to get this because I think the t-shirt's fire. So here we have literally Rick Rubin in a yoga pose with a box logo, white tee, and yeah, it's fire, as I said. So this is, I got this in black in an extra large. I'll just try this on. I'll put it on over this one. So there you go, there's the tee. So yeah, fits fine, no issues. That's the front, that's the back. So yeah, really happy with this. I just think the t-shirt is fire, as I said. And I really was bummed I didn't get the W on the drop on Supreme, but happy to get this on resale. So on to the last tee. So I know I said that I wanted this color. No, it was the white. This is the one I wanted. Same tee, same image exactly, but in white. It's just fire, as I said, love it. Just really happy to get this, even on resale. So in terms of resale, I think I paid, the total's $113, so about £85 I think after fees. But in general, it was about 65 I think, and these retail for 46 on the website. So not too bad, and obviously with shipping it's a little bit more, so probably about 51 I think it was when I shipped, and it shipped. So I paid probably about £20–30 more, but as I said, to have a t-shirt, so happy. As I said, this is it in white, fire, as I said, love it. And really happy to get this. So there was a couple of things on Supreme, but I just didn't want to spend the money right now. I'd rather spend my money on sneakers, to be honest, and yeah, cop some more stuff for the channel. But anyway, so what do you think of the tees? Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you like a shadow tee or the Rick Rubin tee? And obviously, do you prefer black or white? Really happy to get your thoughts. Thanks for checking the video. If this is the kind of content you want to see, please do hit that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. You can also find me outside of YouTube on Instagram at Lukas Winn. And if you did like today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you next video.